Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show a simple way how you can easily unban people from your page on Facebook. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is not be in Facebook but be in Business Suite. When you're going to click on Business Suite, you're going to see your page here. Now you want to go to the right bottom corner and then click on Settings. And right here you're going to see Banned Users. I'm not going to have like anyone banned, but let's say that I'm going to ban someone here. And I'm going to show you how you can okay, ban from page, confirm, and it's banning. And okay, right now page settings, ban the users, and then you just like unban. Voila, you got it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask me down in the comments. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.